Crafty vlog 5. I'm so excited today because I want to show you some things about my small business. I'm really excited. I love this craft journey. We and you are going on, the craft artist. We're going to have fun in this vlog. I'm so excited. I got my sunglasses on because it's still kind of sunny outside. I know it's early fall. I get it, y'all. I get it. Today is Wednesday, October the 16th. Can you believe, you guys? It's Wednesday, October the 16th. This is early fall still. So if you like pumpkin spice, comment down below. If you like anything pumpkin or fall drinks, let me know what you like, because I love them. I love pumpkin spice. I love lattes. I love the candy corn. I love the candy pumpkins. I mean, oh, I love that. But I love about fall is the beautiful what behind me. Look at those beautiful leaves. I love the changing of the leaves. I love that. And also, I was born in fall, but I don't like fall. The topaz. Ugh. Comment down below if you like the birthstone for November. Like, come on. Ugh. I mean, it's a great month to be born in if you like fall and November, but I kind of wish I was born in the summer because I love summer the most. But today's vlog is nothing about that. Today's vlog is about me showing you some products that I bought for my small business. Hopefully you guys like these videos. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let's get started on this vlog by Craft Artist. And if you don't know who I am by now, my name is I Am Didi Crafts. My life is a craft artist. I got my sunglasses on. Aren't these pretty, you guys? I love these. So hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have fun. It's inspiration for your crafting or small business, whatever you're gonna do. So hopefully you have a great day, and I cannot wait to share with you what I got. Also in another video I did, it's called I showed the Mundlin thermal printer, and I'm trying to get it to work right now because I don't have internet. So let me see if I can get it to work and show you in another vlog how it works and everything. I know there's a lot of YouTube videos who do that, but I haven't showed you mine. I have a pink one, but I showed you in the video unboxing, but I just haven't showed how it worked for me. So I'll be making thank you cards on there and all kinds of cool stuff. So I guess let's get started on today's vlog. I'll talk to you in the vlog, you guys. Premium cardstock that I bought at Walmart. Pin & Gear is the company. That's the only place that they have Pin & Gear stuff, I think. I don't think it's on the internet, unless it's on Walmart.com. I'm not sure, but I just love this product. I've bought a lot of things from Pin & Gear in the past. I bought their pens, their pencils, their notebooks, their journals, their calendars. I mean, their planners. Such a good company. And I very, very, very recommend buying stuff from them. It says Made in USA. It's a factory certified. And this is what it's used for. Laser or jet printers and for copying. And I'm going to use this beautiful cardstock to make my own thank you cards. You can buy your own thank you cards from Staples, Office Max, the Office Depot. There's all kinds of places you can buy thank you cards from, like Vista Print, Moon. There's so many different companies. And I thought to myself, I can make my own. They can make them, I can make them. But I'm going to make mine double-sided with a beautiful artwork and a beautiful design on the back, a picture. So it's 50. Well, not 50. I wish it was a little bit more than 150, but it's 150 sheets, and you have one 10-pound right there, and then you have 94 bright. So let's turn the light off. That's too bright. Yeah, 94 bright. This is what it looks like. It has 150 sheets. I don't know why it's doing that. There you go. 150 sheets, 8 by 5, and 8 by 5, 11. I think is what it is. But this is what it looks like. It's really good, sturdy. I bought it. Try it out. I hope it works out for my card making. So let's move on to something else I want to show you in this video, you guys. I hope you're excited about all the supplies I'm showing you. So let's move on to beautiful copy paper. I bought copy paper for years. I never bought this brand though, Pin & Gear. So I thought to myself, let's try it out. It's copy paper for everyday use in printers and copiers, and it's jam resistant. Yeah, I don't believe that, but we never know if it is or not. But this is 500 sheets, and it's 20 pound and 92 bright. I don't know what that 92 bright really means, but it's made in USA. This is a big, heavy package. Made in USA. So we have a USA company. And this is what the back looks like, just like that. So wonderful, right? Let's put this over here. And let's go on to the next copy paper that I did buy from Office Max or Depot. I can't remember one. I know it's one of those two. But this is the company, Bose. I think it's Bose. I don't think I'm saying that right. X9. And it is multi-use copy paper. And it's 99% jam-free. Premium performance in all copiers and printers. And it's America's top seller paper brand, which I didn't know that. And I bought this about a couple of years ago. So I'm still using it. And it's all-purpose. And it's really cool. So look at that. It has 92 bright on it, and it works well. It's 500 sheets in here, so I always get the 500 sheet or more, but I love that so much. So we're gonna use this for invoices, because I love when companies give invoices. I don't know what that's about, why people don't have invoices in their packaging. They don't show what you buy, it's the case if something's missing. I always do an invoice, so I love that part. So let's move on. I will show you some more things, and I will be right back, you guys. Hope you're having a great day. It's time for lunch right now, so we're probably going to eat a lunch in a few minutes. So I'll be back to show you this stuff right here. Love cheese. I love the puff ones too, and Cheeto Paws, but these are the crunchy ones. And I got me a sandwich with ham, roast beef, and bacon, and it looks so good. A provolone cheese, and then I got me a drink from the gas station. This is like a mixture of drinks, and I can't wait to eat, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Small business vlog is I bought some clear sticker paper, and then I bought some holographic sticker paper, which is really cool. They're both overpriced. Bought these both on Amazon.com, and I think they were both like $10 or $15. And to me, is it worth it or not worth it? I don't know. I haven't used it yet, but I think it's wonderful to have this just in case you want to do this for your own small business. It's clear sticker paper, and it's suitable for jet printers. And this is the company Paper Plan, and I love it. It comes in 20 sheets. I think that's a rep off. You should at least have 50 or 100 sheets for the price I paid. I paid $10, $15 for this, and the same for that. And this is an 8x5x11, transparent and waterproof or weatherproof, so you won't get wet. And these are the examples right here you can use. They're so wonderful. I love stickers so much. That's why I decided to make my sticker. It's the first product I'm going to put in my business, and these are wonderful to have. I love this. It's a great product. I say to myself, is it worth it? Because it's only 20 sheets, but we'll just trying it out just to see. So over here, I got this premium vinyl sticker paper. So this is really cool, and this is all the stuff it says. It's durable, water resistant, great adhesive, and work good with all craft cutters. So I guess it's good for all craft cutters. And then tips down here says when you are not using this vinyl sticker, you need to put it back into the bag, which I always do. And then it shows you a warning about the plastic. So let's open this up. Look at this. It's so cool, isn't it? Let's slide it out. Let's slide it out to show you what it looks like up close and personal, you guys. So this is what it looks like. I got the mixed or variety pack. It comes in all these right here. You see rainbow, you see broken glass, you see hearts, snowflakes mixed. Then you have stars, stand stars, bubbles, butterflies, liner. And then you have glitter, and you have clear grids, flower, and 5 stars. And I have the mixed one. So I have all these in here, and it's not worth the price in my opinion. Just my opinion, you guys. You only get a couple sheets in here. So it's not like you get 1,000 sheets or 100 sheets or whatever. I think it's only 20 or 25 sheets. I'm not sure. But this is what it looks like. It is resistant from water and the sun. It doesn't tear. And it's really cool to have. And this is what they look like right here. Beautiful, right? So beautiful if you make your own stickers. And you can use a laminator if you would like. And this is what it looks like. I want to open this up and show you each page by page, but that's a lot of work. So maybe another video when I actually make the stickers, I will show you that and show you what it looks like. So I just wanted to show you this right now. I hope you have fun, you guys. Shopping for your small business, and that's what it looks like right here. The bright light. Look how cute these are, you guys. Great idea. Have fun shopping. Have fun creating your stickers. If you're into glitter like I just showed you, you'll like these. These are some cardstock. Let's turn that bright light off for you guys. This is cardstock. It says diamond print glitter, white glitter cardstock, and it says print me shed free, so the glitter does not come off, and it's from that company from Walmart. This is overpriced too. I think I paid like $5 or $10 for only 10 sheets. That's crazy. I will never do that again. No. But I just want to try it out on my jet printer, and I'm going to make some cool invitations cards and craft projects. But I'm going to use this mostly to make my thank you cards. See, it says thank you right here. So I'm going to make my own thank you cards. I'm going to do 10, kind of like this, so I can see, or not 10, that's only 10 sheets. I'll just cut it in half right there and do maybe a couple to see what it looks like, see if it's worth buying again. If not, I won't be buying it again. But these are so cool, aren't they? I love this. I love the glitter. I love everything about this. So I'm obsessed with glitter, if you know that. I have lots of glitter here. I have red, purple, green. All the glitters are beautiful, wonderful, and I'm a lover of glitter. A lot of people hate glitter because it's messy, but if you know how to do glitter right, it won't be messy at all. So yay! On to that. So let's move over here to this side, and let's show you this one. I want to show you last but not least in this video is Avery. If you comment down below if you ever heard of Avery, it's a cool company. It's been around for years. My mom used to buy label stickers from them, and you can make mailer label stickers, you can make business cards, you can make stickers, all kinds of stuff you can make. The company is great. I love it so much, and I wish they were sponsoring this video, but they're not. But I just love this, and I've just got this number right here, 2830. Wait, 28 wait, if I can see that number right, 28371. That is what you use to get on their website or their app to get this award. I'm going to use this for, let me go down slow and show you. Ta-da! I'm making my own business cards, you guys. They're matte white business cards, and there's 100 in here. I bought 5 or 6 packages. I can do my own business cards. Yes, you can get them at Staples, Office Max, Office Depot, Moo. There's so many different companies that do beautiful thank you cards and also beautiful business cards. But I said to myself, I can make my own. If they can make them, I can make them. I have a good printer. We can do this. We can make them wonderful. So right here on this beautiful card, let's turn it over. And wait a second, this before I turn it over, I want to show you get 10 cards in there, and there's 100 of them, like I just said. I think this is worth for $4 or $5. I paid $4 or $5 for each one, but if you go to Office Max, Office Depot, or Staples, they want $35 or $45 for the same exact thing. Like, what? That's crazy. So buy it at Walmart if you can. So this is what it looks like. There's a website and also the app you can use to make this wonderful. And this is the size of the card. It does not come corner around. You get to do it out yourself if you want it that way. And that's what you do right there. There's a design, print, and go. So on this card, I'm going to have my own artwork on one side and then a beautiful art or a craft picture on the other side because I'm a craft artist, so I have to do both things. And I don't know if I'm doing Shopify or Etsy or Daddy.com or Wix. I don't know what website I'm going to be using, but I can't wait to get this stuff. I'm going to work on this very, very soon. All I got to do is get my printer ready and print this out. It'll be so much fun, and I can't wait to do that in another video. So I had fun today, you guys, creating your own small business and buy something that you really need and want to try out. So I think some of the stuff's a waste of money, but I don't know I would buy it again or not, but I still love the stuff I bought. So I hope you guys having a great day. I'm going to eat lunch now. I'm kind of hungry. So I want to put this all away, and I'll talk to you in another studio vlog. And I hope you enjoy showing this stuff I'm showing to you on this crafty journey. Did you enjoy Crafty Day number 5? If you did, thank you so much. Give me a comment down below. I really appreciate it. I had so much fun showing you all the sticker paper, all the copy paper, all things I'm going to use in this small business to make this business be a success. Hopefully it is a success because I'm really nervous about opening up a small business. That's why it took so long to do this. I've been trying to open a small business since 1998, you guys, and it's like almost 2025 now. So yeah, it's been a long journey, and I'm doing a video called Craft Story and an Art Story. It's gonna be so much fun, and my business story. So it's gonna be so much fun doing those videos. They're not the same thing, different things. So they're upcoming videos for you guys to get excited about. Give me a thumbs up, please. Give me a like, and tell your friends, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on notifications because I know you're gonna love these craft studio vlogs. I'm having so much fun, you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'm just not looking too good today. These little things won't go away. I don't know what these are. I know because you done checked out. They've been there for a while. It's like they're making me nervous. So thanks so much, you guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you in another video. Keep crafting no matter what.